A healthy diet is one of the most important factors in maintaining good health and well-being. Understanding what makes a diet healthy and how to maintain good eating habits can help people live longer, happier lives. In today's world, where lifestyle diseases are becoming increasingly common, the importance of following a healthy diet cannot be overlooked. The foundation of a healthy diet starts with eating a variety of foods from all major food groups. These include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Each of these groups provides different nutrients that our bodies need to function properly. A balanced combination of these food groups helps maintain good health and prevents nutritional deficiencies. Fresh fruits and vegetables are essential parts of a healthy diet. They contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that help protect against various diseases. Eating different colored fruits and vegetables ensures that we get a wide range of nutrients. For example, orange fruits like carrots and sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, while green vegetables like spinach and broccoli provide iron and calcium. The recommendation is to eat at least 5 portions of fruits and vegetables every day, with each portion being about the size of a fist. Whole grains are another crucial component of healthy eating. Unlike processed white bread and pasta, whole grain products contain more nutrients and fiber. They help people feel full for longer and maintain steady blood sugar levels throughout the day. Common whole grain foods include brown rice, wholemeal bread, and oatmeal. These foods also contain important B vitamins and minerals that support overall health and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Protein is vital for building and repairing body tissues. Good sources of protein include fish, lean meat, eggs, beans, and lentils. Fish is particularly beneficial as it contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for heart and brain health. Vegetarians can get their protein from plant-based sources like tofu, nuts, and legumes. The key is to choose lean proteins and vary the sources to ensure a complete range of amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. Healthy fats play an essential role in our diet, despite their sometimes negative reputation. Foods like avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds provide healthy fats that help absorb vitamins and maintain skin health. These fats also help feel satisfied after meals and support brain function. However, it's important to consume them in moderation as they are high in calories. The amount of food we eat is just as important as the type of food. Portion control helps prevent overeating and maintains a healthy weight. Using smaller plates, eating slowly, and paying attention to hunger signals can help people manage their portions better. It's also helpful to understand serving sizes and how they differ from typical portion sizes served in restaurants. Water plays a crucial role in a healthy diet. Drinking enough water helps digest food, transport nutrients, and remove waste from the body. Most health experts recommend drinking at least 8 glasses of water per day. This amount may increase depending on climate, physical activity, and individual needs. Besides plain water, herbal teas and water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelon can contribute to daily fluid intake. Reducing the intake of unhealthy foods is also important. Foods high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fat should be limited. These include fizzy drinks, sweets, crisps, and processed foods. While these foods can be enjoyed occasionally, they should not be a regular part of daily meals. Reading food labels can help identify hidden sugars and unhealthy ingredients in processed foods. Meal timing and planning are valuable habits for maintaining a healthy diet. Eating regular meals helps prevent overeating and maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Planning meals in advance makes it easier to make healthy food choices and avoid impulsive eating decisions. Meal preparation can also save time and money while ensuring nutritious options are always available. Cultural aspects of food should also be considered when planning a healthy diet. Different cultures have their own traditional healthy foods and cooking methods. These can often be incorporated into a healthy eating plan, making the diet more enjoyable and sustainable. For example, Mediterranean-style eating, which emphasizes vegetables, olive oil, and fish, is known for its health benefits. The benefits of a healthy diet extend beyond physical health. People who eat well often have more energy, better mental focus, and stronger immune systems. A healthy diet can help prevent serious health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. It can also improve mood, sleep quality, and overall quality of life. Research has shown that good nutrition can even help manage stress and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Creating healthy eating habits takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Small changes, like adding more vegetables to meals or choosing water instead of sugary drinks, can make a big difference over time. The key is to make gradual, sustainable changes rather than trying to transform eating habits overnight. Setting realistic goals and celebrating small successes can help maintain motivation. A healthy diet is not about strict limitations or depriving oneself of favorite foods. Instead, it is about making smart choices most of the time while occasionally enjoying treats in moderation. By understanding and following basic nutrition principles, anyone can develop eating habits that support good health and well-being. The journey to healthy eating is personal, and what works for one person may not work for another. The important thing is to find a balanced approach that can be maintained for life.